Well, Hollywood came calling on him to learn how he made his master disguises. Robert Barron was the creative genius behind the lifelike masks worn by secret agents who were working for the CIA. Well, now, this man of 1,000 faces uses his unique gift to help change the lives of ordinary people.
What's the purpose of life if you're not helping someone?
Robert Barron spent more than 2 decades helping undercover CIA agents alter their identities.
I mean, the real 007 Mission Impossible disguises.
Now the retired disguise specialist's mission is to use his talents to make prosthetics for people disfigured by disease, trauma, or congenital defects.
If I can put someone in hiding, maybe I can bring that person out of hiding. How you doing, pal?
And hopefully improve their quality of life.
All right, I'm going to take an impression.
Cory Paille's parents sought Barron's services after 16 reconstructive surgeries to his external ear proved disappointing.
Each time he had to go through the emotions of seeing himself and what it looked like and thinking that, okay, this is how it's going to be.
It takes Barron several stages to hand sculpt his lifelike prosthesis.
I turn it and turn it and turn it until I am certain that I have a mirror image of his normal ear.
Days later, he makes a mold and fills it with silicone.
And voila, here's the ear.
Once Cory's fitting is complete, Barron uses a palette of paint to tint his prosthetic ear.
And I put the veins in, and I put the freckles and everything to make it just as realistic as I can possibly make it. What do you think, Dad? Huh? Go on, you guys.
I was shocked because, I'm not used to being able to see 2 ears. Yes, I love it.
This is an ultimate passion. It's an ultimate high that I get for helping people.
And Barron has helped thousands of people, including some survivors of the September 11th attacks on the Pentagon. He says the costs for his custom prosthetics are determined on a case-by-case basis, depending on the complexity of the work.